Hey guys, welcome to this video. I thought I'd sit down and share with you guys kind of a little roundup of some of my favorites that I've been obsessed with. All these products I've been really enjoying throughout the whole spring season, so I thought I'd sit down and share them with you guys today. Proper makeup removal is so important to me, and this has changed the game and just made my whole makeup removal bedtime routine process so quick and easy. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I love wearing waterproof mascara, but it's not a fun thing to take off, but this thing has made it so easy. I've made a huge dent in it. It just melts into your skin, breaks down all your makeup, so you can just put a hot cloth on and just melt it away. I love Honest Beauty because there's no fragrance. They have very simple ingredients and very effective ingredients. This is the Honest Beauty Hydrogel cream. It's so good and I've been using it day and night. I hardly have anything left if you can see it. It's essentially like a water cream. It has a cream texture, but when you put it on your face, it kind of bursts into water and hydration on your skin, and it leaves your skin with a very plump, dewy look. This one doesn't clog my pores, which I love, and I think it'll be a perfect one also for the summertime because it's so lightweight. So I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing this once I'm done. And if you want to see me use these in action to see a little bit how the products perform, check out my skincare routines. I'll have them both linked down below. This will come with no surprise if you've been watching my videos. I love this concealer so much. This is the Kosas Concealer. I know that's not the proper full name, but I cannot remember it for the life of me. I have in the shade 4, which I must say it's a little dark for me. I think the concealer looks way darker than it does in the bottle. I think next time I repurchase this, I'm gonna go a little bit lighter. This is amazing concealer. It's super lightweight, but also packs the coverage, and I find it also has a smoothing effect, because a lot of products I can see it sitting on top of my skin or it just exaggerates the texture on my skin. This makes my skin look smooth, and it wears really nicely throughout the day. So you get the pigment coverage without having the heavy concealer. This is another product from Kosas as well that I've been pairing with it. I haven't used any other powder since I bought this. This is the Kosas Cloud Set powder, and I have it in the shade Breezy. It's the most lightweight, non-detectable powder. It sets your makeup and just really smooths the skin and blurs it. It's gonna get rid of the unwanted oily look, but it won't get rid of that beautiful fresh dew on your skin. Love the really soft kind of lilac packaging. This combo is the dream team. It's so good. The Ilia Nightlight bronzer in Drawn In. But this is just such an easy bronzer to use. It's not overly pigmented, so it builds really nicely. So you can kind of build it to your desired look. You can put it on super softly, or you can get an intense bronze look. Clearly love this so much. This is a product that I'll be repurchasing, which says a lot because oftentimes I'll repurchase skincare or base products and stuff like that. But often with bronzers, I don't actually use them fully up, but I've been using this like crazy. Ilia is a great, nice, clean brand as well. Can you tell I've been really into that? And there's no talc in the bronzer either, so no pore clogging ingredients, and it's that perfect bronze color. You can even contour with this because it's not overly warm. It has a really pretty golden undertone, which usually I typically go for more red undertone bronzers to get that real sun-kissed look. So I like this one when I just want an easy natural bronze. I love a good cream blush formula. I honestly don't really use powder blush anymore. I'm so obsessed with cream blushes. This is the Tower 28 Beach Please Cream Blush in Golden Hour. Nice bright orange on the cheek. It wears really nicely throughout the day. I'll have a blush all day long. It leaves a nice stain, I guess, on the cheeks. So pretty, so fresh. One of my favorites that's kind of new to me this spring is the Villette_FR Balm Shine Universal Highlighter. So it's basically very dewy and wet looking on the cheek, but there's a little bit of shimmer iridescence running through it, but it's very subtle. It doesn't look glittery at all. Out of all the products she launched, this has been my favorite that I tried out. So for eye products, honestly, I've been keeping it very simple this month, but I've been obsessed with MAC's paint pots. No color in particular, but just the paint pots. I've been switching up between colors. This one I had today because I'm wearing it. This is Babes and Charms. It's a mix of gold and pink iridescence. This one's a little bit more on the glittery side, and there's not as much color base to it. You can do a very soft look with this one, or you can really pack a punch and get that glittery look on top of layering on top of shadows. So I've been enjoying the Babes and Charms. I've also been loving Princess Cut, and then I've just been really liking Groundwork as a good natural base. This is the Merit Lengthening Mascara. This is the most stunning mascara that I've ever seen. The actual mascara is really amazing. It's so smudge proof. I've been obsessed with putting this on my bottom lashes because it doesn't smudge and it's just easy to use. It's a pretty like simple wand. I don't know if I curved this or if it was curved already, but I like that shape whatsoever. It's very comparable to my MAC Extended Play actually. The MAC one, I must say the wand's just a bit nicer for the bottom lashes because it's thinner and smaller so you won't get a little bit of a mess. But yeah, it's just kind of fun to use and switch up once in a while because I use my Extended Play so much and it's just a really nice experience to use it because the packaging is so luxe looking. Alright, so we're gonna finish off with lip products. First of all, the one I'm wearing is the Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly in Coconut. It's a perfect fresh pink lip gloss, super creamy, super moisturizing as well. It's just super easy to wear. Sometimes I'll just put it on like under my mask with no lip liner as well. Today I'm wearing Soar Lip Pencil for a little bit more color and definition, but yeah, I love this one. And once again, they kill it on the clear packaging. It's so cute. Another one is the MAC Shot of Color Lip Oil and I have in the shade Punch Drunk Love. You get a little bit more color from this one, but it's so lightweight, very conditioning with all the oils in it, and it leaves a beautiful stain over the day. That's what I love about this one. Finishing off with my last lipstick, it's the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lipsticks. My favorite color has been $1 Billion Smile. It's just moussey, lightweight, you feel the creaminess all day, yet you get the longevity and the look of a matte lipstick. It's a stunning hot pink. It just instantly just brightens up the face. I love pink lipsticks and it has that crazy whip texture so you can literally like sheer it out too and have just a little bit of a stain, which is nice. Alright, so those are all my favorite products at the moment. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing them. All of them will be linked down below for you to check out. That'd be awesome. If you want to support my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below so you can stay tuned for my videos. I'm trying to reach 300. I'm so close. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye! Still get butterflies every time we speak. In my head